Hello inventors, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how we can create exercise app using MIT App Inventor. So let me show you the demo of this app first, then we will create this app. So you can see that's the demo of our app here, and that's the first screen, TCV Fit Club. And you can see the button, let's start. Now let me just click on let's start.
Welcome to TCV Fit Club. Please select the options below.
TCV Fit Club, exercise for belly fat, weight loss and six pack. So let me just click on that belly fat and let's see how it's work.
Start. Please do this exercise for 10 seconds.
Okay, and let me just
3 seconds left.
Yeah, and 1. This will automatically
Good job.
change
Next.
to another exercise. It's a next. Good job. And next. And 6, 5, 4,
3 seconds left.
1 and 0.
Good job. Please visit again.
So here we go. So we are using here MIT App Inventor to create this project. So click on Start New Project, and my project name is Health App. Health App. Okay, or you can say like Exercise App. Now that's our first screen. Now I'm going to drag and drop your one layout. So click on Layout, and I'm going to make it vertical arrangement and make this one width and height as fill parent like this. And drag and drop your one simple button like this and one label like this. So in this label I'm going to use your like a TCV Fit App, something like, and in that button let's see, say let's start. Now I'm going to make it this font size at least 30 and TCV Fit App is at least 20. Now click on vertical arrangement and make this both thing in a center like this, and I'm going to change that background of that vertical arrangement. So click on vertical arrangement and choose image, select an image here. Okay, so that's our image here, and I'm going to change that background, button background, something different. You can change the UI design according to your requirement, or like this to make it this text color to white. And TCV Fit App, I'm going to make this text color to something yellow and make this font bold and make this font size as 25. And I'm going to use your one label to make some difference between both things, and remove that text and make your height option like 10 or 20% like this. So TCV Fit App and let's start button. Now whenever someone click on that let's start button, so we have to display our front page. It means where we can use yours like what type of exercise you want, like tummy reducing or something like weight loss or something like that. So let me just hide this vertical arrangement. Whenever someone click on that let's start button, so we have to hide this, and then we have to use another layout, this one, and vertical arrangement, and make this one is also hidden with this fill parent. I'm going to use your one label, this one, and like this, and I'm going to use your some buttons 1, 2 and 3. But first of all, what I will do here, I'm going to design one button here. So I'm going to design this button too. So let me just make this background color to something. Now you can use color hunt also to use the color plate. So like let me open color hunt and let me just try all these colors. So like this one, MIT App Inventor, change that background color of that button, custom, change that button color like this, change the font color, text color is white, and make this one width is like 90%, or make this height is at least 25%, or make it 20%. It will look fine like this. Now click on vertical arrangement and make this one in a center, or align horizontal should be center. Now change that to text color, or you can find the exercise name also, like let me just say exercise for, you can see the weight loss, belly fat or something. So weight loss, so I'm going to use here for weight loss. So like this, first exercise for weight loss, and change that text color, text size at least 25 like this. Now I'm to delete that button 3 and button 4 and just copy paste all these buttons, so I don't need to copy redesign all these buttons again and again. So Command C or Control C, Control V 2 times, like weight loss, paste here like that, belly fat, and like for third. Okay, cool. Now we have 3 exercise here buttons. Now in that button, text button, we will say here exercise for. To make this font is 30, and I'm to use here one label to display some space. There should be one component to make some space, in MIT App Inventor. This is important. Height is, I'm to make it 5%. Like cool. Now I'm to that design, change that background color. I'm to make it like this one, background color light, default color, custom, and make it light color like this. Exercise for, you can change that color also of that, all these things. Yeah, it's look fine right now. Okay, exercise for belly fat, weight loss, and weight gain. Now whenever someone click on that belly fat, this one button, so we have to hide this vertical arrangement and open another arrangement to display the exercise. Okay, so how we can do that? Let me just hide this one also, make it visible off, and drag and drop here one more layout is again vertical arrangement, and this one is really simple, like make it fill parent with an hide is fill parent like this. And we need to change that background color. You can change anything because yeah, it's fine. And you can just add on here one label like this and add one web viewer, because we have to display one GIF image. Okay, so that's why. And in that label, I'm to make it text is 30 seconds and make this font size at least 30, or you can say 40 is important, and make this one in a center, both thing, and change that text color to white, so it look fine. Okay, so this will display the exercise and this will display the timer. Now I have to use here one exercise, so you can find the exercise here in the Google. Like let me just search here. First we need to check that we are doing this exercise for like reducing the belly fat or weight loss. So weight loss exercise GIF, just search here, go to the image, and you will find a lot of exercise images here. So make sure don't use all these images for commercial use, just for your personal use. Okay, so if you want to use this for commercial use, if you want to publish your app in a Play Store, so make sure you have to get the permission from all these images, or you can download the images from free sources. Okay, or you can use here one more thing, click on tool and you will find your uses right is commercial, is Creative Commons license. This one is all these images you can use free of cost. Okay, so let me just try this one. It's just an image only. Actually I have to find the GIF, so let me make it all. It's working fine. So right click on that image, open image in new tab, and you can see here that .gif image. Command C, MIT App Inventor, and paste this home URL here. Simple. This one is done. Vertical arrangement 3. Now we just need to copy and paste it again, like vertical arrangement 4 in the label is fine. We need to hide this one, and here we need to change that another exercise. So in the another exercise I'm to use here like let's try this exercise. Open image in new tab and find this GIF, and let's just go to MIT App Inventor and paste it here like this. Fine. Now we have two exercise here. You can just copy paste another arrangement, vertical arrangement, to add more exercise, but here I am just hiding here only 2 exercise. Now let me just hide this one also and make it first one enable. Now we have done the all over the design part. Now let me just show you how we can code it. So now let me just go to the block section. Before this, we just need to see that vertical arrangement 1 here. This is the first screen, and you can see the let's start button is button 1. So go to the block, on button one click, we have to hide this vertical arrangement. So make it visible off like this, visual false, and make sure we have to enable vertical arrangement 2. Vertical arrangement 2 should be true. Okay, now whenever I click on that button, so what will happen, this will hide like this, and this one is like enable like this. Whenever we enable this, so we have to use your one text to speech. So this will this app will welcome us, so go to the media and you find your text to speech, drag and drop this here, go to the block, on that click on that text to speech and call to speak here, and whenever we click on that button one, let's start. So after this we will just say here like welcome to TCB Fit app. Okay, and we can say like please select the options below like this. Okay, now it's fine. Now whenever if some user is selected that value fat, okay, this one option, now we have to hide this arrangement. It means vertical arrangement 2 we have to hide. So on that which one button click, so we have to check it. Now you can see the button is third, this one. So whenever someone click on button 3, it means this one button. Whenever someone click on button 3, so we have to hide vertical arrangement 2. Okay, we have to hide vertical arrangement 2 false, and make sure vertical arrangement 3 should be true. Like vertical arrangement 3 should be like true, like this. Okay, now we need to do one more thing here. We need to add here timer. Okay, so we need to just drag and drop here, click on sensor option, drag and drop timer here, and make sure this is the disabled right now. Okay, this should be disabled or like this. Now go to the block section, and whenever someone click on that button 3, after button 3 we need to enable that timer. So okay, wait a second. Yes, button 3 is enable, timer enable is true. Okay, and whenever we enable the timer, so what will happen, what timer will do, the timer decrease the value, or you can say like we have to minus that value, So let me just hide this one, vertical arrangement 2, and make it enable vertical arrangement 3. So we have to make sure like 3, 29, 28 like that. So go to the block, and in that label, which label is this? This label name is, this one. This label is label 5. Go to the block. So label 5. So label 5 dot text. This one. Set label 5 dot text should be like, go to the maths. Here minus, and the current value of label 5 dot text is minus maths 1. This one. Okay, level 5. This will set this as a. Now we need to check if the time is suppose only 3 seconds left. Okay, so what will happen? So I'm going to use your logic control if. Okay, if the label like logic and check this logic and this one, label 5 dot text is equal to 3. Okay, or you can say the 5 second. So we will just use here one more thing text to speech here, this one, and we can just say simply 3 seconds left like this, and we have to call this functionality here also like this. And on that else condition, actually we have to on the else condition we have to call this. Now suppose the timer is 0. Okay, then else if the label 5 dot text is 0 like this 0, then we just say good job, next exercise like this. And we have to do one thing here again, we have to call this label timer here. We can create a procedure for that to call it again and again instead of call it again and again. Like, let me just do it now. Let me just do it. So like procedure, like level 5 value, something like that, whatever procedure name, and we just need to call it here once, and we just need to call it all here, like just do it here. So actually this will reduce your code, okay, your app code. So this is very useful. Procedure is really very useful, like this. Okay, now it's done. Now whenever whenever we have 0, then we have to disable, or we can say the clock one should be a disable. Like what we have done, we have enabled it, okay, here, and we have to make it disable here, like this, and just make it false, like this. And what we need to do, we need to enable another timer. So we have to use here one more timer here. So go to the design and just drag and drop it here, another timer. Go to the block, and we just need to copy paste this whole thing as it is, and we need to just copy paste this thing here, and we need to enable another timer, clock 2. Make sure go to the design, this should be disabled right now. After enabling that timer 2, okay, change that timer 2. After enabling this, we have to check, we have to use here, this one is vertical arrangement 3 is off, and vertical arrangement 4 is enabled, this one. Okay, so this is level 6. So we have to change that as it is, like level 6, and yes. But make sure here we need to create one more procedure. Okay, simply just drag and drop it here, or just say level 6. Okay, and we just need to level 6 value, change it, and change this here level 6, like this. Make sure to change that value, level 6, and level 6, like this. But here we need to one more thing. You see, level 5 value is 0, then we have to hide the vertical arrangement 3. This is important, okay. We have to hide, because we have to hide the current exercise and we have to display the another exercise. So we will make it just a false, like this, and we need to enable the another vertical arrangement 4 should be true, like this. Cool. Now what we need to do here, we need to do one more thing here. Whenever this level 6 timer is 0, then we just say visit again, and we just need to here do one thing here again. Like if the level 6 value is 0, then we just need to change that level 4 should be false and level 2 should be enabled, because we have to redirect it to the main part of our apps. Like 2 is enabled is true, like this. Make sure we have to do some more thing here, like we have to make that level 6, this one level 6 value, whenever the level value is 0, then we have to make all these level values should be 30 again, okay, because whenever someone restart this exercise, so they can see that the value is 30 again. We have to do it for this also, like this, level 5 also, like this. Okay, so let me just try this app in emulator, how it's work or not. Let me go to the design section, make sure this should be hide, level 4 should be hide, and level 1 is only visible here. And let's try this in emulator. So you can see that's our app here, TCB Fit app. Let's start. So let me just click on that button.
Welcome to TCB Fit app. Please select the options below.
Right, so exercise 4. So let me just click on value fact. So you can see that the app here, the timer is 20 and the exercise like that. Let me just make it faster. We can add one more thing here, we just need to do one thing here. Go to the block, we can add one text to speech more here, like this one, like please do this exercise for 30 seconds. Okay, please do this exercise for 30 seconds. So let me just try this again. Refresh. Let's start.
Welcome to TCB Fit app. Please select the options below.
Valley fat.
Please do this exercise for 30 seconds.
Oh, actually it's large. Actually this image is too big. That's why it's look like this. And let me just wait some 10 seconds.
3 seconds left.
Yes.
Good job. Next exercise. 3 seconds left. Good job. Visit again.
Like this. It's cool, it's working fine. We need to do one more thing here. Like we have to disable the one more timer here. You can see the timer. This should be timer 2 o'clock to false. Make sure. You can add lot more exercise here. You can add the exercise for weight loss, weight gain, or you can do more thing in this app. So let me just comment on the video if you have some more idea about this app. So just comment on the video so other people can implement all these ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.